Hello there. Today we will be doing Neetcode number 17. We will be doing lowest common ancestor of a BST. To do this problem, we must look for the lowest common ancestor of P and Q. So in example 1, this lowest common ancestor is 6. In example 2, the lowest common ancestor is 2 and 4. And the lowest common ancestor is guaranteed to be in this particular root. So we can be rest assured to not return null. We can for sure say it's a common ancestor of an item. So to get the lowest common ancestor, we are going to look for the point in which the item is split between P and Q is both greater and less than the current item or equal to. So what I mean by that is, if you look at 6 here, we see that P and Q is split between the 6. So 6 must be the lowest common ancestor. The reason being, it cannot be on the right side, nor can it be on the left side. It has to be this is the splitting point between the two. And so in example 2, it was not the splitting point. Both items were smaller than 6, so we had to go to the left side and check if this was the splitting point. Is 2 the splitting point? 2 is not the it is the splitting point. It is the point at which we are no longer it is not smaller than 2, and it is not greater than 2 and 4. So that is the point at which it splits. The points at which it doesn't split is when both numbers are bigger or smaller than the current number. That's when you have to, if it's bigger, if both numbers are bigger than the current number, we have to go to the right. If both numbers are smaller, we have to go to the left. And otherwise, it's a split. There's a split going on. So let's code that up and get this problem together. So while root, if a p.valve is greater than root.valve and q.valve is greater than root.valve. So both these items are greater than the root.valve. We can say root, we need to go to the right side because there is a smaller common ancestor. Otherwise, if it's smaller than root.valve, let's go to the left because there is a lower common ancestor on the left side. Otherwise, there happens to be a split. We must have split because the P is greater than the valve and the Q is lower than the valve. One or the other, or they are equal. So in those cases, we'll just return root because we have found the item. Let's run the code. Well, we have a timeline exceeded here. Let's see. There must be something wrong with our code. So let's see. P.valve, Q.valve. Not sure what is wrong. There's no return statement here, and so let's just get that and submit. Okay, perfect. Right. So, I think we are very clear about what's going on. It's mainly about that split between the bigger items and smaller items. The runtime would be a log n because that is the depth of the tree, and we know how to traverse the tree because it's a binary search tree. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and if you want more videos, check the link in the description below. And thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.